This is how artificial grass is placed on a tennis court. Unlike real grass, artificial grass simply needs a brush to remove any debris to stay in good shape. Spray foam insulation provides an airtight seal. That is difficult to break. Its expansive nature allows a sealing off all gaps and corners. His worker is securing the insulation layer of a roof. Swimming pool plaster is considered one of the oldest forms of finishing a pool. The final coating is applied on top of the in-ground concrete pool and gives it a clean and smooth texture. It also separates the water and the concrete below, creating a watertight seal. Pool plaster is typically a mixed. Here you see perfect cut in the plinth paper. A small grass mower is a perfect option. For this small patch of lawn, a leaf blower takes away all the debris afterwards. This worker is using epoxy flooring in black pert, silver and metallic blue to create a marble-like effect. An epoxy coating will adhere to any concrete flooring way better than any conventional paint. Washing metal at temperatures above 1000 degrees isn't as easy as it looks. Grab the other end with a twisting wrench and twist in any direction. It's relatively easy to lay artificial grass by yourself, as long as you take time and do care. Most artificial grass products have a latex backing that is easy to cut into shape and lay across the area. There are a number of basic skills in leather working. That most projects require some of these: saddle stitching, cutting, and edge finishing. Then there are more advanced skills that not all projects need to complete. Those have more to do with refining a project or larger projects in general life. When placing large tiling, it's important to have a good layer of adhesive both on the area of the job and on the tile. To create shelves for a shower, this worker joints to tiles and adds trim on the outer side to give it a nice finish. Each shelf is held by the tiles placed on the both sides. Each one has a cut on the side to accommodate a cable conduit and are also placed, leaving that space free to use it for lead lead. Before starting a painting job, it's important to place tape on the corners to prevent accidentally painting anything else. But that's not a concern for this incredible worker. He paint the wall corners like a true pro with a steady pulse. A radial saw is the best option to cut a circle in a tile. But this worker shows that you don't need it to do a perfect job. Knowing the right amount of cement to apply is a matter of skill. And this worker shows all his knowledge by applying the exact amount on the first try. He creates the perfect base to place a new row of bricks. Shearing is the process whereby the sheep's wool is removed, using mechanical shears called hand piece or sheep breeds that are specifically grown for wool production. The wool needs to be removed regularly because it grows continuously. Sheep are typically shorn at least once a year, usually in spring. A pressure washer can blast away all the accumulated debris in your gutters, even in extremely filthy cases like this one. Matte wraps give the surface of a car a micro-rough finish. Reducing the sheen wet wrap methods require a fluid to help the vinyl float on the surface during the adhesion process. Installers often use it because the process is easier and more forgiving. Pipe relining is a way of repairing cracked or broken pipes from the inside. Without digging it means creating a new, tough pipe inside existing damaged one here. You can see how it goes out of the pipe and into the next opening, creating a new one. This power washing machine is striping a Volkswagen Type 3 from all its paint coating to make it easier to remove. The car has to undergo a chemical dipping. This process uses different chemicals to isolate any coating from the steel structure. get the back cut right. While cutting on a nested position, cut towards you and from the underside. Although it takes practice to do it as smoothly as this worker. Diagonal pliers are useful for cutting copper, brass, iron, aluminum, and steel wire.